Let us see the answer of Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1, Non-Calculator, which is a core paper. Okay, starting with the page 1. Write the number 16,062 in figures. So it will be 160 and 62. Question 2. Question 2. Write 3/4 as a decimal. So it is 0.75, and as a percentage, so it is 75%. Question 3. Write down the value of square root 36, so it will be 6 and negative 6, and 10 cubed, so it is 1000. Question 4. The diagram shows a line AB and a point P. So measure the length of line AB in millimeters, so it is equal to 83. And draw a line through point P and is perpendicular to AB. So it will be this. Okay. Question 5. Complete this statement. 10 weeks equal to how many days, right? So 1 week equal to 7 days. So 10 weeks equal to 70 days. Question 6. Shade 2/5 of the rectangle. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 35, so 2/5 times 35, which is equal to 14. So 5, 10, and 4. So it is 14. Okay, then question 7. Find the values of the reciprocal of 1/3. So it will be 3/1. Write 2 into the power of negative 3 as a fraction. So we have 1/2 cubed, and it is equal to 1/8. Question 8. Put one pair of brackets into each calculation to make it correct. So I will, let me count, let me think. So I will put it here. Because 2 minus 3 is -1, right? And then 4 divided by -1 is -4. So we will have -12 minus 4, which is equal to -16. And question B, I will put a bracket here, because 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 minus 7 equal to 2. And we have a negative in front of the bracket, so we will have -3 minus 2, which is equal to -5. Then question 9. Write these fractions in order starting with the smallest. Since the denominator are not equal, so I will make it equal to 24. So this one will be equal to 15/24 by multiplying 3/3. Second will become 22/24 by multiplying with 2/2. This one equal to 16/24 by multiplying with 8/8. This one will be 18/24 by multiplying with 6/6. So therefore the smallest will be, we have 15, 22, 16, 18, 13. So it will be 13 over 24, and then 15, which is 5 over 8, and then 16, which is 2 over 3, and then 18, which is 3 over 4, and the last one will be 11 over 12. Question 10. A cuboid has a length of 5 cm, width 2 cm, and height 3 cm. Question A. Draw a net of cuboid on the 1 square centimeter grid. So this will be the net of this cuboid. Okay, so we have 5 cm of length, 3 cm of height, and 2 cm of width. Okay. Then question B. Work out the volume of the cuboid. So volume of the cuboid equal to length times width times height. So it is equal to 5 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 30. And the unit will be cubic centimeters. Okay. Then question 11. For these 6 numbers, write down the mode. Okay, so the mode of this 6 number is equal to 2. Then work out the range. Range equal to maximum minus minimum. So it is equal to 7 minus 0, which is equal to 7. Then work out the median. So in this case, the median will be 2 and 3. Between these two, so it is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 2.5. And then work out the mean. So mean equal to 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 divided by 6. So it is equal to 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 over 6, which is equal to 3. Then question 12. Tim has a method for multiplying a number by 99. He showed his method for 53 times 99. So we have 53 times minus 100 minus 53. Then we will multiply 53 with 100, so it is equal to 5,300 minus 53, so it is equal to 5,247. So work out the value of 85 times 99 using Tim's method. So we will have 85 times 100 minus 85. So it is equal to 8,500 minus 85. So 8,500 minus 85. So it is equal to 8,415. Question 13a. A quadrilateral has the geometrical properties: 4 equal length sides, 2 lines of symmetry, rotational symmetry of order 2. So write down the mathematical name of this quadrilateral. So according to all these properties, this quadrilateral is rhombus. Question B. Write down 2 geometrical properties of a rectangle. First one, all 4 interior angles. Are 90 degrees. And second is its opposite side. are equal in length and parallel. Question C. The parallel sides of a trapezium have lengths of 6 cm and 4 cm. The area of the trapezium is 15 square centimeter. So on the one square centimeter grid, draw a trapezium with these lengths and area. So area of a trapezium is 15, which is equal to 1/2 times the sum of the parallel side, which is 6 plus 4, and then times height. So in this case, we will have 15 equal to 10/2 times h. So therefore, height of the trapezium will be equal to 3 cm. So we have parallel side of 6 and 4, right? And height is 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is the height. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one. So this is 3 cm. This one is 6 cm. And this is 4 cm. Question 14a. Complete the table of values for y equal to x plus 3 times x minus 2. So if x equal to negative 3, the value of y will be equal to 0 because negative 3 plus 3 equal to 0 and 0 times whatever, it is equal to 0. Then if x equal to negative 1, we will have negative 1 plus 3 times negative 1 minus 2. So it is equal to 2 times negative 3, which is equal to negative 6. So it is negative 6. And if x equal to 0, we will have 0 plus 3 times 0 minus 2, which is equal to 3 times negative 2, which is equal to negative 6. If x equal to 2, the value of y will be equal to 0 because 2 minus 2 is 0. Then if x equal to 3, we will have 3 plus 3 times 3 minus 2, which is equal to 6 times 1, which is 6. Okay. So question B, on the grid, draw the graph of y equal to x plus 3 times x minus 2. So we have negative 4 and 6, which is this point, negative 3 and 0, negative 2 and negative 4, negative 1 and negative 6. So maybe this point is the lowest point, then 0 and negative 6, and 1 and negative 4, 2 and 0, and 3, 6. Okay, so the curve will be like this. Okay, so question C. Write down the coordinates of the lowest point of the graph. So it should be negative 0.5 and negative 7. Write down the equation of the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is this line. So it is x equal to negative of 0.5. Use your graph to solve the equation x plus 3 times x minus 2 equal to 3. So y equal to 3. We have this line. So it will intersect 2 points, this point and this point, and the value of x is around negative 3.45, and this point is around 2.5, around 2.6, around 2.6, 5. Question 15. Best think of a positive number n. G squares n, so we have n square. Then subtract 55. The answer is 9. So write down, work out the value of n. So n squared equal to 9 plus 55, which is equal to 64. N squared is 64, so n equal to the square root of 64, which can be 8 and negative 8. But n is a positive number, so the answer will be 8. Question 16. The diagram shows a point P and 3 triangles A, B, and C on a 1 square centimeter grid. So A, find the area of triangle B. Okay, so area equal to 0.5 times base. So base is 2 and times height, which is 6. So we have times 2 times 6, which is equal to 6 square centimeter. BI, write down the coordinate of point P. So the coordinate of point P is 4 and negative 3. Then work out the coordinate of the point P after translation by the vector of negative 20 and 12. So it will be 4 minus 20, which is equal to negative 16. And negative 3 plus 12 equal to 9. Question C. Draw the image of triangle A after a reflection in the line y equal to negative 1. So y equal to negative 1 is this line. Okay, so it will be 1 and negative 2. So this is the line of y equal to negative 1. So the reflection of triangle A will be this point, and this one. So, yep, there you go. Then, question D. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So A to B is the enlargement. Okay. Scale factor. One, two, three, four, five, 6. Scale factor 2. And center. Let me draw the line. Then this one. So the center is this point. The coordinate is negative 1 and 0. Triangle A onto triangle C. A to C is the rotation. (90 degree clockwise. And center is this point, and center is 2, 3. Question 17. By writing each number in the calculation correct to one significant figure, find an estimate for the value of 17.8 plus 10.3 divided by 5.5. So 17.8 the estimate of 17.8 is 20. The estimate of 10.3 is 10, and the estimate of 5.5 is 6. So all of these values having one significant figures, so that we will have 30 over 6, which is equal to 5. Question 18. Find the highest common factor or HCF of 66 and 110. So 66 equal to 2 times 33, and 33 equal to 3 times 11. For 110, it is equal to 2 times 55. 55 equal to 5 times 11. So in this case, the highest common factor of 66 and 110 will be equal to 2 times 11, which is equal to 22. Question 19a. P is a prime number. Write down the value of P that satisfies the inequality P greater than 13 but less than 19. So we will have 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So among all of these values, the prime number is 17. So P equal to 17. Question B. Write down the inequalities represented on the number line. So we have -2 and 7. This is a black circle here, so it will be greater than or equal to, and this is a white circle here, so it will be less than, and let's say it is x. Question 20. Use that notation to describe the shaded region. So it will be J union K. Question 21. Work out to 7 over 9 times 1 over 5. So give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So it will be 25 over 9 times 6 over 5. So 5, 1, 5, 5, 5, 25, and 3, 2 is 6, 3, 3 is 9. So we will have 5 times 2, which is 10, over 3 times 1, which is 3. So it is equal to 3, 1 over 3. Question 22. The mass m kilogram of a stone is 3.2 kilogram. Correct to the nearest 100 gram. Complete this statement about the value of m. So m is greater than or equal to 3.15 and less than 3.25. Question 23. Factorize 9x minus 6xy. So I will bring x outside. And then 9 equal to 3 times 3. And 6 equal to 3 times 6. So we have 3 as a common term. So I will bring 3 outside. So the first term will be 3 minus the second term will be 2y. Question B. Expand and simplify 2x plus 3 times x minus 4. So 2x times x equal to 2x squared. 2x times negative 4 equal to negative 8x. 3 times x, 3x. And 3 times negative 4 equal to negative 12. And then we will have 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. Question 24. Solve the simultaneous equations. 5x plus 2y equal to 3 and 3x plus 4y equal to 27. So in this case, I will make y equal by multiplying the first equation by 2. So that I will get 10x plus 4y equal to 6. And then I will subtract the two equations. So that I will get 10x plus 4y minus 3x plus 4y equal to 6 minus 27. So that it will be 10x plus 4y minus 3x minus 4y equal to negative 21. So 4y minus 4y becomes 0. So 10x minus 3x equal to 7x equal to negative 21. So x equal to negative 21 divided by 7, which is equal to negative 3. Then I will plug in negative 3 into the first equation. So that I will have 5 times negative 3 plus 2y equal to 3. So it will become negative 15 plus 2y equal to 3. Or we will get 2y equal to, I will move this negative 15 to the right, it becomes positive. So it is equal to 18. So therefore y equal to 9. So x is negative 3 and y equal to 9. Question 25. The diagram shows a shape made from two different semicircles with the same center. The radius of the large semicircle is 7 cm and the radius of the small semicircle is 4 cm. So work out the perimeter of the shape. Give your answer in terms of pi. So first, the perimeter will be in this region. This. Okay. So the length of this line will be equal to 3 and 3 because the radius of the large semicircle is 7, right? But the radius of the small semicircle is 4. So 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Okay. And then I will find the circumference of this semicircle, which is equal to 2 pi r divided by 2. So it will be equal to pi times 4, which is equal to 4 pi. And I will find the circumference of this one, of a large semicircle, with the same formula, 2 pi r divided by 2. So it will be equal to pi times 7, which is equal to 7 pi. So therefore, the perimeter will be equal to 4 pi plus 7 pi plus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 11 pi plus 6.